The ECOMAX 3-gallon air compressor combines a compact pancake tank with a respectable 110 pound per square inch maximum pressure, making it well suited for everyday home and hobby tasks. Its oil-free pump design keeps maintenance minimal while still delivering steady airflow for tools like brad nailers, staplers, and light spray equipment. Despite its sturdy construction, the unit remains relatively light and uses a flip-up handle that makes carrying it around the house, garage, or job site straightforward. The compressor includes a generous accessory kit with hose, connectors, inflation needles, and nozzles, so most basic inflation and cleaning jobs can be tackled right out of the box. Dual pressure gauges and twin quick couplers give you clear control over tank and outlet pressure while also allowing two air lines to be connected when needed. Overall, this model offers a versatile balance of portability, useful features, and low upkeep that suits tire inflation, small pneumatic tools, and general household projects.